Lezinto ngisho ngifile emntangifuni lezinto. Angifuni futhi mina ngcono bako bephethwe iduku lezinto angifuni. Yabona ukuthi awuduki lokho ngibone kahle isikipha sakunelwa impahla ngithi akugqokele zamana ejele lezi kuthiwa nje uphe. Angaphuko size oyitolo ngoba bekho lo muntu lo akayena normal size. Skipha lapha bese sijuluke ngathi uthelewe yikhofi la ujuluka ikhofi lana ejabulela ukuthi kukhona uMampintsha wathola ithuba lokuvela futhi inqwaba yamphuphe ama-artists who have never achieved anything. Ibona kanye bebe right wave kaMampintsha from the day one to day tomorrow and every time. So that is a very sad story to tell. Obvious, everybody must cry, everybody must mourn when the king has fallen, when the hero has fallen. But we can see through colors unity. Siyabona kancane ngecolors unity la umuntu khona ese overuser i-access. Sebenzisa i-opportunity ukuthi ufuna ukuvela engenayo into yakhe personal emvisayo. So ngafa bebe utheni namhlanje ngeke kufane nokaMampintsha. Mampintsha was gifted, Mampintsha uzakhele lento ayiyona. And the mastermind behind everything is Shakira. He was sitting down, humbling himself, but everyone who are the right wavers, they were full on stage, don't know. With the map, the artist, la wana akabhuka uphi la artist la nokuyikhwapha begcwele lapha na la artist la anamungi abegcwele lapha kuthiwa ama-artist. Ayikho yonke lento leyo. You must work for your journey, you must work for your path, and you must make sure that you achieve things in order to be recognized as a superior artist, in order to deserve a stage, not to use the platform and then you find an opportunity to elevate yourself for that short period of hours, and then you go back to your bread and butter. Uthi ngoba yazi uthi ngimangalile lapha ngithola mina a legendary artist, a historic artist uhlelele emuva ngimbona sengiphuma futhi professor uhleli lapha emvuthi uhlale ngidlulele akathathi inyanga uthi ngoba ngikhona and mawuthi ubuka umlando kaprofessor ubuka umlando walabo papyos abekuthola stage kwi-memory service kaMampintsha. Who can tell? Who is the dog? Who is the dog? Who is the dog? Who is the real dog? Professor is a real dog. Everybody knows that. In our generation, there is no signature voice will ever beat Mampintsha in terms of music genre. Never. Maybe in our case, in the next generation, there will be another new sound or new voice that will be secondary and that will be relevant for that generation. But never. I mean, as a president of the generation, I'm not proud at all about what has happened. I went there as a relative. Umngamo ucula nabo laba bantu usebenza nabo laba bantu akakwazanga ukuba present. That's number 1. 2, aphe kwalokho mina uMampintsha ngamhloniphela ukuthi wathi mayithatha inqubo sokuganwa wathi ufuna umshado wesintu wacela ukuthi ngimnike ukudlela umvunulo bengayeli bafukela umvunulo yami lapha kuMampintsha kodwa bengiyokwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi iqhawe lihamba kahle ngithi bye mfana ngithi I'm proud that you have recognized us as amabhinqa in your biggest day of your life mhla mshada. Nginesho nje ukuthi usuke lapha nakanjani uyonikelisa ngawo le video sontweni. Ngiyangibona futhi kanjani bazalwane ngiyangibona